If you want to buy V-Bucks on Epic Games, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps to open Epic Games in your browser, search for V-Bucks, choose the amount you need, and complete your purchase smoothly. This is a very easy process, but if you've never done it before, I'll make it simple from start to finish. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more gaming tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to the Epic Games website. You can search for Epic Games directly in Google, or type the official website into the address bar if you already know it. Once the page loads, make sure you're signed into the correct Epic Games account. This is important because V-Bucks purchases need to go to the account you actually use for Fortnite. If you're not signed in yet, log in now with your email, password, or any connected sign-in method. After that, use the search bar on the Epic Games site and type V-Bucks. This will bring up the available V-Bucks options. Take a moment to look through the choices and select the amount you want to buy. Epic Games usually offers different bundles, so choose the one that fits your needs and budget. Once you've selected the V-Bucks package, click on it to open the product page. Here, double-check the amount, the platform, and any purchase details before moving forward. When everything looks correct, click the Buy button. You may be asked to confirm your payment method or complete an extra checkout step, depending on your account settings. Follow the prompts carefully and make sure your payment information is correct before finalizing the order. Once the payment goes through, your purchase will be completed. In most cases, the V-Bucks should appear on your account shortly after the transaction finishes. If you don't see them right away, give it a little time and refresh the page or restart the game later. And that's it. You've now learned how to buy V-Bucks on Epic Games in just a few simple steps. You opened the Epic Games website, searched for V-Bucks, selected the right amount, and completed your purchase. If this tutorial saved you time, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy gaming how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.